pretend I'm a master chef. And then maybe some crushed tomatoes, if you want to do that.
A simple pita bread pizza is one of Lisa Goddard's favourite foods. She loves eating and since losing her husband has become determined not to resort to ready meals.
When you're first bereaved, you go into this peculiar, like a half-life thing, because during the funeral, you have everybody's around, everything's going on, planning the funeral, and then afterwards you're sort of on your own and flat. And the one thing you have to do is look after yourself. And I think to make yourself something nice to eat is a good way to make yourself feel a bit better.
One of Lisa's recipes will be part of a new cookbook called Cooking for One. The idea came from funeral director Simon Beckett-Allen. His sister Sarah died at just 49. She was a chef. He built this kitchen in her memory.
She was fun, honest. Yeah, I miss her, yeah. And this is where I feel close to her.
Yeah, how do you feel when you're in here cooking?
Oh, she's having a go at me, she's moving pans, she hides things up, she stops the oven lighting, yeah, anything that goes wrong in here is my sister looking down at me.
It smells beautiful.
Yeah, it does.
Have you eaten today?
Sausage hot pot is on the menu today, a creation from chef Richard Hughes. Inspired by his late mother Alma, he's had a love of cooking from a young age. She always made sure she had his favourite food waiting for him.
The first thing we noticed was when I went home and there was no Eccles cakes and she hadn't got my sausages. So that was an indicator that, that sounds very odd, but all was not right, if that makes any sense. And it sort of got progressively worse from there. So we thought it'd be quite nice to do this sausage dish in my mum's memory.
For me, it's important to sit at the table with a napkin and everything.
And not just in front of the television.
Yes, I think that's terrible, because also you're sitting all crunched up, so it's very bad for the digestion. Much better to sit at the table.
The cookbook isn't finished yet. Simon and his team are still looking for recipes. They don't have to be complicated. Cooking for One just needs to be fun, nutritious and tasty.
Oh my God, I love cheese and toast.
Me too.
Felicity Simper, BBC Look East, Skull.